Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a simple swapping application in Qt. I'll also show you how to debug it to your Symbian 3 device like Nokia N8 or something related to it. First of all, we'll start Qt Creator. We'll select Create Project. We'll select Qt for GUI application. We'll select Choose. Next, we'll select these two options. Select next, and then here we go, finish. And this is the basic thing you will see when we create a new project. This user interface. Now for this application we will need 6 labels. So first of all, I will keep 6 labels on my main window. So yeah, here we go, we have 6 labels. We need 2 spin box. So here's the first one, here's the second one, and then we will need 2 push buttons. So here I'm having it. Okay, now first of all we will set the user interface in proper manner. We will change the text of these labels. We'll keep these 2 labels blank so we can display the values of A and B inside this. Okay, so here's the labels, and okay, and then just bring them closer, and these 2 labels for displaying the values. We'll bring this push button here somewhere. We'll name it, the first one we'll name it load, and the second one we'll name it swap. Okay, so now for coding of these buttons, first of all we'll go to edit, open the source, and we'll double click on main window.cpp, and first of all we will make a simple swapping function which will swap 2 numbers. So we'll make swapping function here. So here is the swapping function. It's simple logic that the value of A will be transferred to temporary variable and the value of B will be transferred to A, and then the value which will be stored in temporary variable will be transferred to B. Okay, so now to make coding for these buttons we'll have to right click on it and select go to slot. Okay, and here we will do some coding. So here you can see I've taken both integer x and y, and I'm getting the value of x and y from those 2 spin box. And this function, no sorry, this object, this particular button load will display these 2 values of x and y in label 3 and 4. Okay, so here you can see I've declared the functions, uh, and I also made a procedure for this object which will load the values into these labels. Now time to swap these two numbers. So we'll go to the slot of the swap button. Okay, we will right here, actually we will call that function here and pass x and y inside that function argument. Here you can see I call that function named swap and I pass the value of x and y inside that function. So here the value of a will be the value we got from the spin box, and the value of b will be the value of the other spin box. So first the value of a will be transferred to temporary variable, and the value of b will go to the a variable, and the uh, value stored in the temporary variable will go to b. So is everything ready? I would just like to redesign this form. Go to layout, we'll right click here and go to layout, and we'll select layout in a grid or something, layout in a form layout. Okay, and now when we press the run button, save all, make sure you have selected save all, otherwise the application will not run. Yes, now you can see the simulator has started, in which I can see Symbian 3 device, Nokia N8, and the application is just running on it. It's time to test it. We'll set 4 in box 1 and something 6 in pin box 2. We'll press the load button. These two values will be set in this label. When we will press swap, you saw that? Oh, the values are swapped. Yes, the program is, the application is working fine. Okay, so now if you want to debug this application on your device, just plug in your device and select Symbian device, debug, and here you can see a red cross mark because currently there is no device connected to my laptop. But when you will connect a device, for example, when I will connect my Nokia N8 into my laptop, this red cross mark will change into a green tick mark, as you can see. Oh, you saw that? Okay, and when you press this debug button, this program will debug and it will transfer to my mobile. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and please like it if you find it useful. So thanks for watching my video, and see you next time.